My name is Benny Sims. I am the President and CEO of Southern Wall Systems. We were established in 1993 and we manufacture prefabricated wall panels. 7 years ago, we started hiring out of the GC world, we started hiring out of the engineering world, and we started hiring out of the consulting world. And now, 7 years later, we have, I feel like, one of the best teams in the industry.
As a former general contractor, I can understand how you're so used to doing something one way and you're so used to trying to get efficient at that one way and be the best at that one way. To introduce a new concept like prefabrication, I can understand why there's hesitancy. But one of the things that we wanted to accomplish by coming over Southern Wall is to bring innovation to an industry that's not known for innovation. And part of that process, and one of the biggest tools that we brought in, is prefabrication. The great thing about prefabrication is the fact that so much is done on the front end that in traditional construction is normally done while the project's taking place.
Everyone promises speed to market in traditional construction. They load jobs up with people, they overpromise and underdeliver. By using prefabrication, we get true speed to market. We're able to take the process and put it up in the front end and guarantee that we can deliver panels on site when we're supposed to.
Our goal is to get in early with our clients so we're able to help them in a design phase to get the most value for their budget all the way from start to finish.
The initial look evaluation of a project comes in. We would evaluate the envelope of a building. During this process, we work hand in hand with the architects to get the best value for the budget. Utilizing BIM software on the upfront, we can identify certain conditions and resolve it early so it doesn't delay the process overall.
Once I receive the packet from engineering, I take it and create a plan when it hits the framing table to when it's out the door, stacked, and sent to the job site. Being in the field as a superintendent, you can never see 100% of the job site, 100% of the wall. In the prefabrication, you can see 100% of everything. You can do water testing, we can do QA/QC, I can see the panel, make sure everything's to my satisfaction before it gets out the door.
Our technology is helping us to be more efficient in the plant, but the reality of it is because of the team that we have, we're able to take parts that happen later and do it earlier.
With our capacity here, we're actually able to take the full envelope from studs, sheathing, waterproofing, any veneer, EIFS, and even where those systems tie in with window wall systems, punch window openings. We're able to take all those scopes and encapsulate it to where, as an owner, as a GC, you've got one call to make if there's an issue.
So you look at precast where they're getting 3 to 7 panels a day, we do 17 to 35. We average between 18,000 and 27,000 square foot per week with a 4-man crew on hook. We have a light system that goes up fast. What we've seen is that we're on average, we get 90% early occupancy as a result of our efforts. On a 30-story tower, we'll bring that up in under a month. So where we used to be a problem, we're now a good neighbor and they become excited. They want the new thing. They see it, it's brand new. Hey, what is that? Oh, now I know what it is. And they start making calls on it and signing leases to get into the building.
We're just getting started. We are now in the process from converting mindsets from construction to manufacturing that continues to make us more innovative, more efficient, and a better value for our clients and customers.